Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today, that is 11th of June. The day is Saturday and the timings are 10 p.m. in the night. I'll be coming up live onto my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So into this respective live stream, what we'll be doing? We'll be making up a Python project with the help of some functions, some libraries of Python, a sort of a project which you can actually add it into your resume, showcase it up there, and a sort of things like that. So this is what we'll be doing up into the live stream, that is today 11th of June, Saturday, timings 10 p.m. only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. The link for the live stream is already mentioned in the description. Go ahead very quickly and set the notification on so that half an hour before the live stream gets on air, you get up a notification and do not miss out this live stream. So see you there in the live stream.